life. And look at that. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, chocolate sweet fusion. What?
For your kid. And the delicious, the coolest Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Coca-Cola.
And aside from Coca-Cola and the food, you have 10,000 pesos.
Look at that.
10,000 pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And now, you, Paolo, in English.
It's a Thanksgiving of Coca-Cola to the Filipino family who opens happiness in their homes.
So continue.
Just continue the happiness with Coca-Cola. Open Coca-Cola, open happiness.
Yes. Not only that, there's more.
There's more.
And we have a gift for you from Pure Gold.
We have baskets of groceries.
Yes.
Goodies for the children. We have
For snacks.
Yes, a deluxe.
And 2 sacks of rice.
Wow, not only that. We have also for your wife a 5,000 from Pure Gold.
From Pure Gold.
Bossing, where's the nearest Pure Gold?
Well, the nearest, parang.
Yes.
The nearest Pure Gold is in Pure Gold Pasig.
Yes.
In Barangay Very Well. Barangay Very Well.
Barangay very well.
Yeah, Buting. Barangay Buting, Pasig. Okay?
Buting Pasig.
And Pure Gold opening on January 18. That's Wednesday.
Oh, there's opening.
Yeah. Medyo malapit na to. Pure Gold La Trinidad Benguet. Oh, ano?
Oh, doon near. La Trinidad Benguet.
It's a walking distance.
Wala ba ba?
No,
La Trinidad Benguet.
La Trinidad Benguet, you know that? The La Trinidad Benguet, where you go there.
Has he been to Baguio?
Baguio?
You been to Baguio?
Baguio City?
Di
How
raw,
about
bossing.
Little Baguio?
How about Little Baguio in San Juan?
Little Baguio in San Juan.
Di pa rin, bossing.
No.
Ha? Ay, wala. Hindi pa?
You go to Baguio, is cold there.
cold.
Benguet,
Like
really, really
London.
cold.
Wow.
There's more?
There's more, bossing.
Yeah, go.
Go.
Okay.
This is for the whole family. Here's our gift. Bear Brand Busog Lusog Family Cereal Drink.
Full.
Oh, this is Bear Brand Full and Healthy Family Cereal Milk Drink.
What?
Full and Healthy. Busog Lusog.
Full.
Ay, nakakabusog. At
Full and
nakakabusog.
The cereal drink for the whole
Healthy.
family.
There's the bear.
Yes. There's more.
Kuya Bear.
Not only that, you have also 5,000 pieces from
Bear
Bear Brand, full,
Healthy.
healthy family cereal drink.
What?
Lusog.
Right. Busog-lusog. Okay.
First aid, please.
First aid. Red Cross.
Paramedics.
Paramedics.
Ninikip na yung dibdib ko dito.
And of course, here's more. You have Nokia Asha 303.
Oh!
There you go. It's like compatible
Like mine,
with
huh?
Bossing.
Yeah.
It's like the phone of Bossing.
It has Angry Birds. It's so easy to connect to the internet. That's from Nokia in Eat Bulaga. Nokia connecting people.
Hello, Busing. Thank you very much po. Naku, yung gatas po, libre na yung gatas ng anak ko. Nangilang ano yan.
Yeah,
Ang dami
sakto.
na po.
Ano Brad, nahihilo ka na?
What's happening?
Opo, boss.
Ano yung inaamoy mo?
Ammonia.
Ammonia?
Para ako himatayan. You know this? When we try to speak English, that will happen to
Yeah.
me.
Joke.
We faint.
Reboot.
Ano, meron pa?
Meron pa?
Oh, yeah. So, what's your...
Kasi tingnan mo yung anak. Kasi
Saan na? So what's your long-term plan?
Actually, yung ano, yung mami niya, nagpaplana na tutulungan siya yung panggastos pauwi niya. Tapos, pero kami dito muna, susunod na daw kami. Oh. So yung ginagawa ko dito, yung business na maliit na business, yun na lang pagpatuloy ko dito. Yung
Nakakaipop.
pagtitinda.
Bossing, help
No split na si Jose.
me.
Kawawa naman.
Bossing, help me. My hero.
No split ka na, Brad.
Look at that. Oh my God.
Hey, did you bring the bossing savings? Oh, there's another nosebleed.
Di Paolo, hindi lang ilong pati pisngi. Nakagat na yung labi.
It's so hard to English, you know?
Wait, ate. This one, bossing, savings.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanna die.
Wait, I have internal
You give her number
bleeding.
2.
I give you number
Give,
2.
Gina, number 2.
Gina, paborito kong apo.
Number 2, you open it, but don't show it.
Tell her to make boso.
Yes, you make boso.
You cheating.
Silip.
Up!
Up. Okay.
Thank you po, Busing.
Yan initial deposit lang yan. Gina,
Opo.
initial deposit lang yan, ha?
Opo, thank you very much po.
Para kung meron kang immediate na pangangailangan,
Opo.
para kay mister, para sa mga anak mo,
Opo.
para sa iyong pamilya, meron kang mawi-withdraw. Okay?
Opo,
Pero
thank you po.
sana lang, wag withdraw ng withdraw. Mas maganda kung madadagdagan mo kahit pa konti-unti. Ha?
Opo, thank you po.
Okay, importante ang pag-iipon dahil pag may isinuksok,
May idudukot.
may dudukot. Hindi, may madudukot.
Ayan ka na naman eh.
Can you translate that in English, Jose?
Bossing,
Teka, bakit?
Kapag may isinuksok,
Pati mata mo.
you know, bossing said, this...
may kismi ka pa.
I need... this...
Pati mata doon. Ano yan, baka sa ulo, dugurin natin.
You teach Chris.
Okay, Chris, bossing gave initial deposit for your wife.
Yeah.
And there's a money inside there. Bossing also said that you make
Kapag may isinuksok,
when you put in. No, not put in. When you may, you enter the bank. There is withdrawal. Right? When you savings, you withdraw. But not all.
You saves.
Huh? Not all.
kapag
One,
may isinuksok,
when you deposit,
Oh,
may madudukot.
and then we have deposit.
Ano?
Savings.
Supposit?
Deposit.
If there's deposit,
Withdrawal. Good.
okay. Basta, Gina, kung sakaling nandito ka pa, hindi ka pa nakakabalik ng London, sisilipin namin yung bossing savings mo, ha? Pagka nakita namin na alagaan mo, napalago mo, meron ka pang special na interest
Opo.
galing sa Itbulaga, ha?
Thank you po. Thank you po, Bossing.
Okay. Thank you, Gina.
Thank you. Thank you po sa Coca-Cola, sa Pure Gold, sa inyong lahat po ng bumubuo ng Itbulaga. Thank you very, very much po.
Wala na naman.
Masaya po kami na malaking tulong na po sa amin ito.
Okay, you're welcome po.
welcome.
And not only that,
We have additional?
we have
Yeah.
additional cash prize for you.
For your family, while you're still here in the Philippines,
Wow.
here's
20,000 pieces!
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20
20,000 pieces.
from Itbulaga.
Thank you po, Itbulaga, sa lahat-lahat po. Thank you very much po.
How about Chris? What do you say to bossing? Thank you very much, bossing. Bossing, mama, chup chup. Mama, chup chup.
Anything,
Maintindihan eh. Palakas mo naman.
You louder. Bossing, thank you very much. You thank you, bossing, and then you say, Mama chup chup, okay? Louder.
Bossing, thank you very much. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup.